If you're working with a limited budget, there's no need to compromise on style and functionality when it comes to your small kitchen. With some creativity and resourcefulness, you can transform your space into a practical and visually appealing area. In this article, we will explore various small kitchen ideas on a budget, including repurposing items, DIY solutions, affordable accessories, and decor. We will also touch upon keywords such as kitchen design layout, very small kitchen ideas on a budget, apartment kitchen design, renter-friendly wallpaper, renter-friendly backsplash, and Japanese kitchen. 1. Repurpose items for storage and organization. For example, consider using old crates or baskets as shelves or hanging storage. 2. Apply DIY solutions for a personalized touch. For example, decorative wallpapers are also great for adding some color and texture to an otherwise bland kitchen. 3. Use affordable accessories to add style. For example, colorful dishware, decorative storage containers, or vibrant curtains. Hang unique artwork or display a collection of vintage kitchen utensils to add personality to your space. 4. Apply renter-friendly solutions like wallpaper, peel and stick floor tiles, and backsplash 5. Switch up lighting fixtures. For example, from swapping that hideous flush mount for something more interesting to beautiful statement pendant lights, you can bring in a lot of style for very little money. 6. Curate your appliances. For example, add style with a chic beige Nespresso machine to a colorfully vibrant food mixer and even a retro-style fridge. 7. Add a runner. A rug or runner is a